Dear children, myself Shrikant Kumar Das, mathematics teacher of Demonstration Multipurpose School of RIE Bhubaneswar. Today we are going to learn about some of the concepts in the chapter Does it look same? Let us start. You see, this is a rectangular piece of paper. In previous chapter, how many squares? You have learned that if I fold the rectangle along the diagonal, I will get two equal triangles. You see, I am folding it along the diagonal. These are two equal parts. You see here, area of this equals to area of this one. Here also dimensions are same. So, now see, I am folding it along this line, along the length. Now see, I am getting two equal parts. This part equals to this part along this line, along this crease. So, what about this? Now, these are mirror halves. So, what are mirror halves? Let us know. When we fold a picture along a line, this is the line, if one half covers other similar half completely, see this is covering completely, then we say that two are mirror halves. Now see, when I am using word mirror halves, this is capital letter A. Now I have to take the image of half of this capital letter A along this dotted line. I am keeping mirror on this line. Now I have to take image of this half. Are you getting similar half in the mirror? The image, its shape size equal to the shape and size of the object. So this half, its image has been formed in the mirror. Now see, I am folding this capital letter A along the dotted line. Now see, half of it is covering the other half exactly. So can I say these two are mirror halves? Yes, because one half is covering other similar half. Why I am using similar? This part equals to this part. So these are similar halves. When I am folding it along this dotted line, so this is covering the other part exactly. So I can say that this capital letter has mirror halves. Now see this smiley. So if I fold it along this dotted line, will it cover the other half? Let me fold it. I am folding it. So one half is covering the other half exactly. So I can say that this smiley, this picture has mirror halves. Now see this picture. These are equal halves. See this structure, this shape equals to this shape and this shape equals to this shape. So there are two equal halves. But when I am folding this, you see here, along this dotted line, the picture is coming like this. So this half is not covering this half exactly. So I cannot say this is mirror halves. This picture doesn't represent mirror halves. Okay. Let us move to other slide. Now, which shapes are divided into two mirror halves? Now you see picture 1. Here this is the star. Here you see the dotted line. The upper part, when I fold it along this line, and bottom part you see it will cover this part. Now here you see this is white part, this triangular part, this is white part. When it will come downwards, it will cover the pink part. So this part is not covering this part, upper part is not covering the lower part exactly. So I cannot say this picture does not have mirror halves. Now you see picture 2. Here, if I fold along the dotted line, then this part will cover this part. Now you see this is enlarged part. When it will come in this direction, then it will be seen here as enlarged portion. So this half is not covering the other half exactly. So this picture does not have mirror halves. Similarly, you see this picture, clearly you can say that this picture does not have mirror halves. Now you see this picture 5 star. If I fold this half part over the other, then it will cover exactly. So I can say this picture has mirror halves. Now you see this butterfly. If I fold it, the left part, it will cover the right part exactly. So this picture has mirror halves. Now you see picture number 9, same butterfly, but here dotted line, its position is different. Now this is from left to right. So if I fold the left part over the other, or sorry, if I fold upper part over the lower part, it will not cover exactly. You see here antennas are there, so these will come downwards. So I can say upper part is not covering the lower part exactly. So this has not mirror halves. Let us move to next slide. Now place a mirror on the dotted line. What will be looks along with its image? Suppose in the box there is a picture of dog. We have to put mirror on the dotted line. So what kind of image will I get? Both object and image together. If I take it, what will be the picture? Now let us see. I am putting mirror on the dotted line. So which are the objects? Here the face and leg are the objects. So if I put mirror here, then its image will be formed. And this body part, this part of the body will be left behind the mirror. This will not come. Only I will get image of this part, this face and leg. So here I will get a picture like this. This is object and this is the image. Now on which of the dotted lines will you keep the mirror so that you get shape B? In the left box, I have to keep the mirror on the dotted lines. There are two dotted lines. On which dotted line I have to keep the mirror so that I will get the required image in the right part. Now you see here, you see the image. This is the middle line. So I am getting the image, this one, and this one is the object. Then where I have to keep the mirror? Now you see this part here. Now this part is coming. Now I am getting a triangular shape, and if I take image of this triangular shape, then it will be like this. So now definitely if I keep mirror on this dotted line, I will get the required image. Now also tell which part of the picture will be hidden when you keep the mirror on the dotted line. Definitely the right part, right body part of this picture will be left behind the mirror. Now we have to draw a line on the box. You see in the left side there is box to show where you will keep the mirror to get the picture next to it. Now you see I am moving mouse, you see the arrow, here there is a square. So, how will you get a square? You see this is tail part. So, if I draw a line here, you see the movement of arrow. If I draw a line here, I will get a triangle. If two triangles, suppose this triangle, its image will be a triangle definitely. If two triangles are joined together, I am getting a square. Then see, then this part is here, here you see the line. Now here I have to draw now like this. Here I have to draw the line. Then you see I am getting some gap here. Where is it? You see here is some gap. So, I have to draw line along this way. Then again I am getting a square. How? Now, if I draw this line along this, then I am getting a triangle. Its image will be another triangle. If I join together, I will get a square. Now, so I have to draw the line here like this. You see, like this, we have to draw the dotted line where we have to keep the mirror, so that I will get the image in the right side like this. This one there. Then another picture, you see where I have to draw the dotted line, so that I will keep the mirror, so that I will get the required image in the right side. Now, you see here only head part is there, some part of neck is there, then I have to draw the line. This is the middle part, this is the middle part. So, here I have to draw the dotted line along this position and some part of neck. Then this one will be the object and this one will be its image. You see how? Here you see. So, this one is the objects, its image will be like this, then I am getting the required picture. Now, another picture in the box, right side you have to see the picture of dog, where I have to keep the dotted line, draw the dotted line, where I have to keep the mirror, so that I will get the required image. You see only here head part is there and here tail part is there. Then if I keep here, I have to draw the line here. Okay. And now you see here tail part, its image is here. So, only I have to take object as this. So, I have to draw the line here. See, this is the line. We have to draw this dotted line where we have to keep the mirror, so that we will get the image like this. Now, 3D shape. In earlier cases, we discussed about 2D shapes, picture of dog. Now, we are moving 3D shape, boxes are there. Now, make a line on the box where you will keep a mirror to get the other shape. Now, I have to make a line where I will keep the mirror, so that I will get this image. So, where I have to keep? You think, now this is the rectangular part. You can find here rectangular part, its image is here. So, I have to take this one. Then you see this part, this quadrilateral, here you see this quadrilateral. So, some part of it I am taking. Then you see this shape. Now, here this if this is the object, I am getting this image. So, I am taking this one. So, I have to take some portion here in this square. I have to take some portion like this. Here I have to take. Here is the this red color part, you see I have to take some red color part here in this way. Then I have to take the line in this direction, so that I will get the image in the right side. Now, you see how to draw the line where I have to keep the mirror, so that I will get the image like this. One more. Now, you see in this box where I have to draw the dotted line where I have to keep the mirror so that I will get the image like this. Now you see here this is the image, this is the rectangular part. Now you see this is also a rectangle. Now it looks little bit bigger. Then what to do? Now I have to keep mirror here, this part. Then you see this is triangular part. How it is coming? If I draw the line along this way, suppose in this way I will get a triangle. So then this part is image is there. So completely I have to take this part. So I have to draw the line along this way. So total this one will be the object for the mirror. Now see here I have to draw the line where I have to keep the mirror so that I will get the required image like this. Now you tell me which of the shapes below will be looked as same after half a turn. What is a half a turn? A complete turn is 360 degree. Complete turn meaning if I go around a point, then I am completing 360 degree. So half of it will be definitely 360 by 2, it is 180 degree. I have to turn the figure 180 degree, that is the half of a turn. Suppose this is a rectangular piece of paper. I am taking second one, I am not taking square. Rectangle, the position is like this. So I have to turn half. See, this is 90 degree, then this is 80 degree. So it looks similar. So when I turn half, then this rectangle looks similar. Similarly, in case of circle, it will on half turn it looks similar, same. So in case of square, you see the first one square on a half a turn, it looks same also. In case of triangle, here you see, in case of triangle, this vertex will come downwards on half a turn, this vertex will come downward. So it does not look same. Now you see I am taking this case of square. Now I am rotating it 180 degree. You see this is a 90 degree turn, 1/4 turn, then I am rotating it, again I am doing it, see carefully like this, this is like this. So when I turn half, that is 180 degree, it looks same. Similarly, in case of triangle, here you see I am rotating it 180 degree, that is half turn. See, here vertex is coming downward. I am not getting a similar triangle. Here this side is coming upward and vertex is coming downward. Okay. Now similarly, this is a hexagon. If I make a half turn, it will look same. Similarly, pentagon, it doesn't, because here you see this angle part, vertex, it will come downward on half a turn. We will discuss some questions. Find out which letters in the English alphabet looks the same after half a turn. You think about it. A. If I make a half a turn, does it look same? No. You take example of H. I am taking example of H. Here you see. If I make a half a turn, see here, I am making a half a turn. Am I getting H? Yes, I am getting H. So H on half a turn looks same. Similarly, you can take example of I, O, X, Z, you can get similar look. So on half a turn, these letters looks same. Similarly, you can find out for B, C and other letters. Now question number 2. Which of these English words reads the same on half a turn? Zoom. You take. This is the letter word zoom. I am turning half it now. Here you see on the table I am doing it. I am turning it half. Does it look same? No. Zoom letter doesn't look same. On half a turn it doesn't look same. Similarly, next word is mow. I am taking it mow. Now if I am rotating it 180 degree, that is a half a turn. Am I getting mow? Yes. So it looks same on a half a turn. Then swims. On a half a turn, it also looks same. Now number 3, give half a turn to the numbers 0 to 9, find which of these still looks the same. Suppose I am taking digit 8. You see, I am making half a turn. This is 1/4 turn, then this is half a turn. It looks same. Later this digit 8 looks same on half a turn. Similarly, 1 it will be, then 2 will it be? No, it will not be. Then 3, no. So similarly you can try for other digits. Now we have to think of 2, 3, 4 digit numbers which look the same on half a turn. Here you see I am taking a 2 digit number 8080. I am rotating it, I am turning it half. Now you see same 88. Similarly, you take example of 11, you will get same on half a turn you are getting 11. Now I am taking 3 digit number. Here you see 808, 808. When I am turning it 180 degree or I am making a half a turn, what will happen? Let us see. It is 808, same. Similarly, I am taking a 4 digit number. Before that I am giving you example of 3 digit numbers. What are the other numbers? You take example of 111, you can take 101, you can take 818. There are several numbers. Similarly, now I am taking a 4 digit number. Here you see it is 8008. If I make a half a turn, what does happen? Let us look. It is 8 same, 8008. Similarly also you can take other examples. In place of 8, if you take 1, 1, you are getting 1001. If you take here 1, 1, here 8, 8, also 8, 1, 1, 8, 8118. This also looks same on half a turn. Now, which will be looked as same on half a turn? You see this picture here, on half a turn, will it look same? Yes. See this part, the triangular part, this triangular upper part, when it comes downward, it looks same. But in this case, a person sitting on a wheelchair, if I make a half a turn, will it look same? Definitely no. Now you see this. Yes, on a half a turn it looks same. Similarly, you can find out which other pictures are looking same on a half a turn. Now you see the left fan. Does the fan look the same on 1/4 turn? I am taking this. Suppose this is the fan. I am rotating it or turning it 1/4. What is the meaning of 1/4? You see the complete angle is 360 degree. When I am taking 1/4 of it, definitely it is 360 by 4. It is 90 degree. Just I am rotating this picture, this fan 90 degree. You see here is it. Same. I am rotating it 1/4 in clockwise direction. I am rotating it 1/4, 90 degree. You see here. Do they look same? Yes, they look same here. This fan similar to this one, although here little bit picture or size is different, but they look same. You see here, this is the, if I take this as a triangle, this is the hypotenuse part, this is the hypotenuse part. We will discuss it in later, what is the hypotenuse, what are perpendicular, what are base. Thus you see this picture, they look same. Now draw. How will be the shapes look like on 1/4 ton and half a ton? Suppose first is a triangle. This is the triangle. I am making half a ton. Half a ton matlab 180 degree, like this. Does it look same? No, the vertex is coming downward. Now see, if I make 1/4 ton in first part, it is written that 1/4 ton. So I have to turn it 90 degree. You see, like this. It doesn't look same. Similarly, in case of square on 1/4 ton, if I turn it 90 degree clockwise or anti-clockwise, you take clockwise, then it will look same. On half a ton, it also, its look will be same. Similarly, in case of rectangle, this is piece of rectangle, you can try out it for yourself, and also for this hexagon, regular hexagon. Now, which fan will look the same on 1/3 ton? What is 1/3 ton? You see here, if I take these three lines, this is 60 degree, 60, this is total 120 degree. So line like this, this is 120, this is 120, this is 120. 1/3 ton meaning it is 120 degree. 360 degree by 3, it is 120 degree. Okay. If I rotate, if I make a 1/3 ton of this fan, then fan A, here fan A, it looks same. But if I rotate this fan B on 1/3 ton, it will not look same, because here one color part is there, here it is green color part, this blade, so it will be different. So the look will not be same. Now look at the following shapes. How will they look on 1/3 ton and 1/6 ton? What is 1/3 ton? Just I told you it is 120 degree. Suppose I am taking this picture. Here you see. First I am making 1/3 ton. You just neglect these lines. You see this line and this line. I am putting here. And making 1/3 ton up to this. I have to turn it, rotate it up to this. You see, does it look same? Yes, it looks same. Similarly, I have to turn it 1/6. I have to make a 1/6 turn. What is 1/6 turn? 360 by 6. It is 60 degree. Now you see this angle, its measure is 60 degree. Now I am rotating it, moving it along in this direction, clockwise direction, 60 degree. You see, its look is same, previous look, now look, they are same. So what can I say? 1/3 ton on 1/6 ton, this picture looks same. Similarly, we can also find out for other pictures. Now, which will look same after 1/3 turn? Now, you see this picture on 1/3 turn, that is I have to rotate it 120 degree, it will not be same. It will not be same because this pink color part will come in this direction. So, its look will not be same. Similarly, this one also not the case. Similarly, this will not look same on 1/3 turn, but this triangular structure, this picture will look same on 1/3 turn, and so also for this one and this one. Now, change the shape below in such a way that they look the same on 1/3 turn. You now see this picture. Now, on 1/3 turn, will it look same? No, because here you see this blue color part, this one, if I make a turn like this, it will come in this direction. So, this picture when after rotation of 120 degree or 1/3 turn, here it will come. So, look will be different. So, how to make change in the shape? So, I have to take this circle, this blue colored circle in the middle. I have to draw, I have to change it, I have to draw it in the middle, so that after 1/3 turn I will get the similar picture. Similarly, you can change shape in these pictures. Now, let us summarize what did we learn today. First, we discussed about we learnt what are mirror halves, then which shapes can be divided into mirror halves, what will be the look when we keep mirror on a part of a figure, then we learnt number of numbers and objects which look same on half, 1/4 or 1/6 turn. Then we learnt how to change shape for which object look same on different turns. Thank you, children.